Hello friends, welcome to Everything Yagnik. In this video, I am unboxing the Syska power bank, and in the later part of video, I will compare the Syska power bank with the older Mi2i power bank. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox it. And friends, if you like this video, then don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe Everything Yagnik. Here is the box of Syska power bank. On the front, it says Power Boost Power Bank 100. It says dual charging supported. On the left also it says Power Boost, also on right, and on the back these are some features and product specifications. It is 10,000 mAh power bank, or you can say 37 watt hour. Its input voltage and output voltages are at 5 volt 2.1 ampere. It is priced at 1899 rupees, but it is currently available on online pricing at 999 rupees. The power bank box is sealed now, so let's unseal it. On the top of the box, we have the power bank itself. We get a small cable for charging purposes. Its one end is USB type A and the other end is micro USB. We can see the length of the cable. It's not too long. The cable quality is decent, but not that great. Next in the box, we have user manual, let's have a look at user manual. It shows the specifications and some useful stuff about the power bank. It says the meaning of 4 lights. 4 lights means 100% charge, and 3 lights means 75% charge, etc. And here is the card for terms and condition, and on the back it is the warranty card. Lastly, in the box there remains power bank itself. Let's have a look at power bank. On the top there are 4 LEDs and the name Syska. On this side we have micro USB port for charging this power bank, and there is a power button. On the top we have 2 USB outputs. Both the outputs are on 5 volt 2.1 ampere. On the back there is certification and the specification of this power bank. It says input voltage is supported at 5 volt 2 ampere and outputs are 5 volt 2.1 ampere. That is, this power bank does not support fast charge. On the hand it feels somewhat heavier. It's actually heavy than the other power banks. Now let's compare this power bank side by side to the power bank of same size Mi2i. By the looks, the Mi power bank is looking gorgeous. As we can see, the power bank Syska is shorter than Mi. Also, the power bank Syska is more thick than the Mi power bank. Remember guys, both the power banks are on 10,000 mAh storage of power. Now let's compare them by specifications. As you can see, Syska power bank does not support fast charging, that is 9 volt 2 ampere, but the Mi2i power bank supports fast charging, that is output voltage may go up to 15 watt, that is 9 volt 2 ampere or 12 volt 1.5 ampere. So for the round of fast charging capabilities, the Mi2i power bank wins here, and down for Syska accessories power bank. The Syska power bank has smaller width, so thumbs up for it in this area. Also, the Syska power bank is shorter than the Mi power bank, so also thumbs up for this area. But in the thickness, it's twice of Mi, so thumbs up for Mi2i. Finally guys, in terms of build quality and all the other aspects like looks, height, width and all the terms, I will recommend you the Mi power bank, because the Syska power bank does not worth of 999 rupees. If you are getting this power bank at cheaper price like 600 or 700 rupees, then it is okay. But if you are going to spend 999 rupees, then wait and go for 899 rupees Mi2i power bank. Please like, share and subscribe Everything Yagnik. Bye bye.